So if you're interested in our Acura NSX, it is pretty much OEM stock. I mean, it is super, super clean overall. Some of the things we just did is we just refinished the wheels. So they have fresh powder coat. They look really good and they have brand new center caps. They also have brand new tires and they have fresh brakes. So you can't beat that. It's like a whole package. Now it is stock minus a 2B exhaust, which that exhaust alone is super rare. In my opinion, it was one of the most rarest exhausts you will ever kind of track down. And we've got that exhaust and we've got the OEM exhaust that's going to go with the car. Now, some of the things that I've done to the car that you will really like is it's got brand new seat covers, well, about 2 years old. And we also have Wilman Stereo's brand new Bluetooth OEM stereo in there. And we have a lot of goodies that we've gotten from Megazip that we put in the car that are brand new stuff. So we've got brand new bolsters, we've got brand new interior parts, exterior parts. I mean, you name it, we've got a lot of great things. But this is a clean title, it's got a clean Carfax, and it was a Bring a Trailer car at one point of time. So you could go on Bring a Trailer and you could see the pictures of the car as well. It's had its timing belt done. It's got a lot of stuff that has been done to the car itself. And on top of that, whoever buys the car, I'm going to give them a bunch of extra little goodies that I got from megazip.net, some extra parts that you guys could utilize for the car for future maintenance. We've got extra oil filters and stuff like that. On top of that, we're going to give any additional little tools that goes with the car. We have a brand new custom sun visor, everything that's going to go great for the car that you guys are really going to enjoy and really be able to use. Besides that, guys, I think this car speaks for itself. I highly recommend that you watch the playlist of the car of everything we've done. The car is really, really nice. There's really no issues. I mean, the only things I could say that I would point out is that the windshield's been a tiny little bit pitted over time, just from driving and being low. Nothing crazy. And the front bumper is kind of, you know, shows a little bit of rock debris and stuff like that. And but besides that, we did paint correct it and we did ceramic coat it. It's not like the best paint correction job because I didn't go all the way down and take out the swirls, but the paint looks beautiful and it still has a lot of life. So if you did want to really paint correct it and really get down deep in that paint, it still has paint to do that. We have tint all around the car, including the windshield, that could be removed, but it really is nice for the car because it kind of blocks the sun the way that the windshield is angled. I really think it helps out a lot. We thank you again. If you have any more questions, I'll be happy to help you answer those. I treat people like family, so that means if you fly in, I'll pick you up. I'll probably get you some lunch or breakfast or whatever, and you can look at the car. I can answer any questions. My goal is to make the buying experience the best for you. I do live in Grand Junction, which is in the west side of Colorado, not in Denver. I don't live in Denver. And so just take that into consideration. An easy drive to California, an easy drive to Salt Lake, really easy for you California buyers if you want the car, because you could buy the car, drive to Vegas, take a nap, and then get home. All right, guys, thank you for watching. You take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.